This is not motor vehicle.
Undang aiktin ka Sorkar jalla bat menteri Sorkar ba polling do habakren halor kamat bayadei ba Jingthung ya ka Chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW ulo ong ba kani ka kam kan kot haswa jong ukala lingkot bat ki Jingkhang menta ki play shakiriu Shimet ki bom shim la ai Jingmut da ka search committee utei undang aiktin ka Sorkar ulo ong ba kidang perkhat bahkan jen dalam bahaban play ke Jingkhang na Bynta baro bat ke Sorkar kan sa Shimrai kat kum ki Jingai Jingmut jong ka search committee kumjo ka aplikeshon Shimet ulo ong ru baling ba kani ka kam ong don menu ki ban sngau ba ki lasha kini no yaka kaba kabu ban tap application.
By end of January, the entire process will be closed. Now we have opened the doors to even individuals who have not been named by the search committee, so that nobody would feel that they have been denied of an opportunity to apply. In fact, they consider themselves to be, quite fit to hold the post, but they were not named by the search committee. So we thought, in all fairness, let's open the door for everybody, and then the government will take a call based on recommendations of the search committee as well as individual applicants. We have set a deadline, I think somewhere 20th of January or so, as and when we sit for a review by the first week of February, we should be in a position to then select the chairperson.
Ya ka National Voters Day